Before you register a company, it is also worth considering if this is actually the right moment to do it. Once you start a business and formalize it, it will give you some obligations. For instance, you will need to have an accountant who will be delivering statements, like VAT statement, which will be of zero value, but still, you have to deliver it. In this sense, we always advise our customers who enter Polish market to establish a company formally when they are sure that the business is going on. Start small, think big. This is just a general rule. The registration process is actually quite simple. You need to choose the form, you need to prepare the code that you are going to choose, and then you just fill out the documents. Then you have to choose which kind of social contribution you're going to take, and perhaps if you need some kind of permissions, like for selling an alcohol. Also, you have to think if your business is responsibility oriented or not. For instance, if you are doing surgeries, it would be good to have LLC company, because then you separate your personal assets and your personal responsibility from the responsibility of your business. On the other side, if you are doing, for instance, IT consulting, or you're a programmer and you are going to be a subcontractor of a different larger company, then your liability is actually untouched in this case. So you can have a sole proprietorship. Many people before establishing business create a website and start to do some networking. They formalize the business when they feel that they are going to send some invoices and they are going to really make a profit. I have an example from our own field when we had some customers from abroad who started in Poland, started big, establishing a very complex structure, and all in all they ended up paying more money to lawyers than they actually made in the business itself. So be careful, think big but start small, and try to be as less formal as possible. And if you feel confused or anything that I said was unclear, feel free to ask. I will do my best to help you. And also, obviously, if you need an accountant, BA Gruppen is at your service.